Sorry you guys, this is taking all day. My darn phone is not acting right, so my videos can't go as long as I want. So, I just showed you guys this drawer. This video will be a lot quicker. When I bought my BAC Cosmetics, I bought the brush set as well. I think it came with it. And I just used this whole little set for my eyebrows. This is the Milani blush. This is an awesome product. I also use this on my eyelids. This is Dulce Pink. They have all different shades of pinks and burgundies, and I have to go try something new. And it's Baked Blush. Revlon mascara. This is just, like I said, my brushes, and basically I use this little thing for my doing my eyebrows. Yep. And this little thing here, I forgot what it's called. It was a gift from my mom. But I have Rimmel, different colors in that. Some more hips in silver and black. CoverGirl and Lime Alive. This is all broken up into pieces, but this is Milani. Runway Eyes. You can use wet or dry, these kinds. If I show you these can be used wet or dry. And it's got, it's number 2. It's called Blackout. Rimmel, the pink, different shades of pink. There's another Milani in blue, like a navy blue. And it's called Blue Lagoon. The cream eyeliner by L'Oreal in Hips, called Eggplant. It's like a purplish color, a deep purple. There's another one. This is like a green ivory color. Very, very high pigmented, like they said. It's very, very pretty. And this is called Midnight Blue, but it's not blue. It's green. Wet n Wild loose eyeshadow, and this is called Blue Lagoon. Very pretty. Another hip high intensity pigment, and this is called Teal. And this is like a blue, dark navy blue. Pretty. Another Rimmel, like a teal in there, light blue, and a white shimmer. It's called Black and Blue. And here's another one by Milani, like a bronzer color, gold color shimmer, called Coffee Shop. And here's another one. This is very pretty. Like I said, these kind you can use wet or dry. To intensify it, you can use it wet. And this is called Beach Sand. And this one's all broken up, but it's very pretty. It's like I'm going to call it my lucky green. I love this color. But it's called Shamrock. It's very, very pretty. That is the end of my makeup collection for now. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a nice day.